Hello everyone, welcome back to our educational video series on the Flare network. In this second episode, we'll be diving deeper into the Flare network's architecture and protocols, and how they work together to unlock the full potential of decentralized finance DeFi applications. In our previous episode, we discussed what sets Flare network apart in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, and why it's such an important player in the industry. We also touched on the State Connector and the Flare Time Series Oracle, two protocols that are key to Flare network's functionality. In this episode, we'll be taking a closer look at these protocols and how they work. The State Connector is a protocol that enables Flare network to securely and trustlessly integrate information from other blockchains and the internet with smart contracts on Flare. This is achieved through a process called attestation, where independent attestation providers come to consensus on the validity of external data. The Flare Time Series Oracle, on the other hand, is a decentralized protocol for safely retrieving external time series data for use on Flare. This data is crucial for DeFi applications, as it allows them to make informed decisions based on real-world events and data. The FDSO takes data at predetermined intervals, currently 3 minutes, from an independent network of data providers, which are incentivized to deliver accurate data. Both the State Connector and the FDSO are secured by the Flare network's Layer 1, which means that the security of the network is directly tied to the security of these protocols. This ensures that the data being used by DeFi applications on Flare is accurate and reliable. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Flare network, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things blockchain and cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.